Hey everyone, welcome back to Trending Knowledge. If your 2005 Chevy Suburban is having trouble starting or randomly stalling, your fuel pump might be on its last legs. A functioning fuel pump is crucial for your vehicle's performance and reliability. Without it, your engine won't get the fuel it needs to run smoothly. Today, I'll show you how to drop the fuel tank and replace the fuel pump step by step. We'll cover everything from safety precautions to the final installation. Let's get started. If your engine cranks but doesn't start or cuts off while driving, a bad fuel pump is often to blame. Over time, fuel pumps wear out, especially if you've been running low on gas often. Replacing it might sound intimidating, but with the right tools and some patience, it's doable. Other symptoms include dashboard warning lights and low fuel pressure readings. Use a fuel pressure gauge to diagnose it properly. Listen for unusual noises from the fuel pump area, which can also indicate a problem. Here's what you might need and why. Acdelco MU 1474 fuel pump assembly. The heart of your fuel system. Ensures proper fuel delivery, floor jack and jack stands. For safely lifting and securing your vehicle. Basic socket set. Essential for removing and installing parts. Fuel line disconnect tool. Makes disconnecting fuel lines easier and safer. You can also use a small flathead screwdriver in a pinch. Safety glasses and gloves. For your protection. Drain pan. To catch any fuel spills and a buddy to help drop the tank. Optional but helpful. An extra set of hands can make the job much easier. Start by disconnecting the battery to stay safe. Relieve fuel system pressure by opening the gas cap and using the Schrader valve. Raise the car with a floor jack and support it with jack stands. Place a drain pan and disconnect the fuel lines with a tool. Be ready for fuel spills. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Support the tank with a jack and remove the straps. Lower the tank and disconnect the wiring and hoses. Remove the old fuel pump by twisting off the retaining ring. Install the new fuel pump ensuring the seal is in place. Reinstall the tank, connect lines, wiring and tighten straps. Ensure everything is secure before lowering the vehicle. Reconnect the battery, turn the key to the on position for a few seconds to prime the fuel system, then try starting the engine. If it fires up smoothly and runs without hesitation, awesome. If the engine doesn't start, check the fuel pressure with a gauge to ensure it's within the manufacturer's specifications. Verify all electrical connections and inspect the fuel pump wiring for any issues. You've just tackled a big repair yourself. Double check for any leaks around the tank and fittings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Trending Knowledge for more simple DIY repair guides. As always, stay safe, take your time, and consult a professional if you're unsure. For more resources, check the links in the description below. You can also join our community forum for additional help and advice. Catch you in the next one. Here are some troubleshooting tips if your fuel pump replacement didn't go as planned. Check for fuel leaks and ensure all connections are secure. Look for wetness or a strong fuel smell. Verify electrical connections and fuel line fittings. Check fuel pressure with a gauge. Inspect the fuel pump relay and fuse. If issues persist, consult a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair. In this chapter, we'll go over some common mistakes people make when replacing a fuel pump and how to avoid them. First, not relieving fuel pressure properly. Failing to relieve the fuel pressure can lead to fuel spray, which is not only messy, but also dangerous. Make sure to follow the correct procedure as outlined in your vehicle's manual. Next, not securing the fuel tank correctly. An improperly secured fuel tank can cause significant issues, including fuel leaks and potential damage to the new pump. Double check that all bolts and straps are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Lastly, forgetting to reconnect the wiring harness. It might seem obvious, but this is a common oversight. Ensure that all electrical connections are reattached and secure before testing the pump. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can save yourself time and ensure a successful repair. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing. In this chapter, we'll provide some additional maintenance tips to keep your fuel system in top shape. First, regularly check and replace your fuel filter according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule. A clean fuel filter ensures that debris and contaminants don't reach your engine, improving its performance and longevity. Next, try to keep your gas tank at least a quarter full. Running your vehicle with a low fuel level can cause the fuel pump to overheat and fail prematurely, as it relies on the fuel for cooling and lubrication. Finally, always use high-quality fuel from reputable sources. Poor quality fuel can contain impurities that may clog your fuel system and reduce its efficiency. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your fuel system and enjoy a smoother, more reliable driving experience. Thanks for watching, and happy